Hey everybody, I want to take a little bit of time. Just got this car back, the 68 Camaro. Went ahead and put the US Mags 107s on it, 17 by 7 front, 18 by 9 in the rear. Still got to do all the disc brake stuff that I got here with the C5 rotors and calipers that will go on the car. So the car's been painted back to the, well, it's originally buttered yellow, but we ended up doing the correct red for 1968. So painted that car back. So some of the stuff I've been doing today, that is a polished intake, air gap intake manifold, brand new proform, chrome, slant edge valve covers. Got the air cleaner. I ain't screwed down yet. I gotta check the height, make sure to fit with the hood. I'm gonna order chrome compressor, chrome water pump, and try to see if I can't find a 3-wire chrome alternator. I might end up doing a 1-wire, but if I cannot, that'd be better, which would be really nice. And I'm showing you in here, and this is one of those colors where it looks bright red here. It is Matador red. In person, it's pretty dark, believe it or not. It's actually a really darker red. That's the way the camera pulls it up. Been putting the kill mat on the floor, ran out back here, and then we got all the pretty gauges and stuff in the car. I still need to order a SS horn button for it, and I gotta check out and see what happened here because the door weather strip that I got didn't come with the tiny little plastic clips. I got them from Precision and it's not in the bag, so I gotta figure out what's going on there. I'm pretty sure I got that from Rick's. The other thing that I'm trying to do, it ain't off bad, but I put the weather strip here in the trunk, and it just seems to be very firm. But I got it all in. I'll let it sit for a few days and see what happens. I just wanted to put it on there so someone didn't slam it and then mess something up. So I'll let it sit and see if it won't come back down. But the car looks pretty nice. I put 2-inch drop blocks with the monoleafs in the back, and that's what we got here. I need to get a stainless steel fuel tank, and as known before, it has a brand new stainless jegs exhaust under the car with band clamps that needs to be tightened up. So car looks pretty decent. I mean, it's pretty nice. And then I got to put the stuff in for the sun visors up there. Got to get the holes and all done for that. But it's come a long way. So game plan is to go ahead and get the rest of the stuff for the engine detail stuff done and just slowly put it together. I got a chrome. This is going to be one of the cars that will have the most amount of chrome that I own underneath the hood. So it's got a brake booster. The coolest thing about this brake booster, if I didn't see this before, is it has the stamp. I know it's not right, but hey, 90% of people won't know the difference, which would be a big plus. So game plan is to get more of this stuff buttoned up and done. I gotta put the fan shroud on, charge the AC on the car. Once again, my game plan was to have it super shiny. So like I said, with the alternator, the water pump, the AC compressor, the brake booster, she'll have quite a bit of pretty trim on it. And I still got to do the wheel well chrome. I've got all of the upper chrome. I'm debating on putting it on or not. I like it on these cars, but she's pretty sharp. I got to put all the stuff in for the wiper motor. The wiper motor's in, but the linkage and all has to go back up in there. And what I'll do in the meantime is re-black bed line Sand it, scuff it, black it. I like it better with it looking black. But it's got a lot more to come on this thing. Grill and all to put in it, bezels, the headlight buckets. Hopefully it'll look good. There's a few pieces supposed to be coming later this week, like the thermostat housing, which is chrome or billet. I think before it's over, she's going to be a pretty fun little 3-speed 68. I need to put the antenna in the car because it's got the retro auto sound. I think she's a pretty mean looking car. And then just because you can't see it, what we'll do is turn it up. I just did the nose stripe on this car. So the yellow car, he has the stripes that go down the side. Stay tuned.